Okay, number 4 is a rose. Remember that roses have a number here, and then they have another number in front of the theta. So they look like this or like that. This one looks like this. Also, this n makes a difference. If n is even, like this one, we have twice as many petals as what n is. So on this one, I know I'm going to have 4 petals on my flower. If this was an odd number, like 5 or 3 or 1, then this rose would have only that many petals. So if it's even, you double it. If it's odd, you keep it the same to figure out how many petals you have on your flower. Okay? So this one, if you graph this, 0, 3, pi over 6, 1.5, pi over 3, negative. Okay, so pi over 3, we're going to go negative 1.5, so we're going to flip over here. Okay, and then pi over 2, negative 3. So we go to positive 3, up to here, then we flip across to negative 3, 1, 2, 3. So far, I've gone like this. So I'm assuming that all of these flowers are going to go through the origin. So even though we don't have any origin points, that is my assumption. So far I've done that. All right. 2 pi over 3 is 1.5. So 2 pi over 3, negative 1.5 would put me here. So now I'm there. 5 pi over 6 is here. That's 1.5. So I'm right there. So now I've crossed through the origin. Now I'm over here. 3 at pi would put me there. 7 pi over 6 and 1.5 would put me here. Wait. 1.5 is there. And then 4 pi over 3 is negative 1.5. So 4 pi over 3 is here, but I don't want this side, I want the other side. Negative 1.5 would be there. 3 pi over 2 would be negative 3.
Just a reminder, the We Are PC.
And go up here for 3 pi over 2 is negative 3, so that'll be up here. This is 3 pi over 2, so we flip it across. And then 5 pi over 3 would be negative 1.5. So again, this is 5 pi over 3, so we flip it across, 1.5. And then finally, 1.5 at 11.6 would put me here. So I'm going through the origin, whoops, and then over here, and then back to there. So there's my flower for number 4. There's my table, and there's my flower. And that was my little mistake right there. The point in the wrong spot.